Today.
I'm good. Hello, Henry. Good morning. And thank God it's Friday. Well, the long-standing clamor for state police in Nigeria has gained significant momentum, with the majority of state governments throwing their weight behind the establishment. This major development emerged from the National Economic Council meeting held at the State House. The proposal, which has been years in the making, seeks to devolve policing powers to the states, allowing for more localized and effective law enforcement, with many Nigerians eager for a solution to the country's persistent security challenges. The move towards state police is seen as a crucial step in the right direction.
Most of the states are in agreement with the establishment of state police in Nigeria. But today the council have decided to step down the discussion until the next council meeting, because we need to come up with a report from the secretariat.
President Bola Tinubu is set to present the 2025 budget proposal for a joint session of National Assembly next Tuesday. This announcement was made by President of the Senate, Godswill Akpabio, during plenary on Thursday. The presentation of the budget proposal is a critical step in the budgeting process, as it provides an opportunity for the President to outline the government's spending priorities and fiscal policies for the upcoming year.
His Excellency, the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, has indicated his intention to bring the 2025 budget proposals and estimates to a joint sitting of the National Assembly on 17th day of December 2024.
Now, the House of Representatives has taken a significant step towards addressing the environmental concerns in the Niger Delta region. The lawmakers have mandated the Committee on Environment to investigate the unprofessional disposal of seized crude oil and petroleum products from illegal refineries. This adoption of a motion on notice during Thursday's plenary session. The motion highlighted the devastating impact of the indiscriminate disposal of crude oil on the environment and the health of the people living in the affected areas.
Environment to halt environmental hostile practice for an eco-friendly and professional method of disposing crude oil and allied materials seized.
Now, in a move aimed at strengthening leadership and enhancing collaboration, the Nigeria Governors Forum has convened an emergency meeting to tackle the nation's most pressing issues as the country grapples with challenging economic times. The forum is working to build a vibrant process that guarantees a true reflection of democratic dividends. This critical gathering brings together state governors, policymakers, and stakeholders to forge a unified path forward. Nigeria is stepping up efforts to reduce maternal and newborn deaths by 30% before 2030. To achieve this goal, a special advisor to the President on Health, Dr. Selma Ibrahim Anas, is convening a high-level meeting with key community actors from 3 of the most affected states. This move is part of a broader strategy to tackle the country's high maternal mortality rate, which stands at 814 deaths per 100,000 births. The World Health Organization has identified improving the quality of care as a priority to addressing preventable maternal and child mortality. Nigeria has made some progress in reducing maternal and newborn deaths, with a 30.4% decrease in maternal mortality rates between 2000 and 2015. However, more needs to be done to achieve the Sustainable Development Goal target of reducing maternal mortality to less than 70 deaths per 100,000 births by 2030.
That is a community.
The federal government has reiterated its unwavering dedication to achieving universal health coverage targets, driven by President Bola Tinubu's national health goals. Coordinating Minister of Health and Social Welfare, Professor Ali Pate, emphasized the government's commitment to improving health outcomes for citizens during a ministerial press briefing in Abuja.
The key issue is whether to revitalize, whether to enroll. Somebody has to pay the premium. We've raised some, but if we can raise more, if Nigeria can invest more in health, the healthcare system that we have will go even much further.
And those are the news highlights. Good morning, Nigeria continues after the break.